Hey everyone, it's Michelle back here again with another video. Today's video is going to be on how to tone your hair without any damage. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, it's free and I really appreciate it. Like this video, comment down below and say hi. I'm always up for making new friends. And if you're a returning subscriber, thanks again for supporting me. I really appreciate it. Today's video is going to be on toning hair. Toning hair that's either all blonde or blonde with low lights or blonde with naturally brown in it. A lot of toning videos tell you for just blonde hair. If you have low lights in your hair or brown streaks in your hair, certain things such as Wella toners are not going to work for you unless you want your brown to turn orangey color. If you're blonde, you know that you have to constantly tone your hair to keep it a nice ashy color, or it goes yellow, it goes goldeny. This is going to be a toning tip with no damage, so if you're interested, please keep watching. So the tip I have for you today is everybody knows that using purple shampoo in the shower helps tone hair, but it only does so much. My tip is use purple shampoo on dry hair. That's right. Now, you'd think like a normal shampoo. Go in the shower, put in the purple shampoo, maybe leave it in for a few minutes and rinse it out. That's not how I use it. So what I do, I apply the purple shampoo to my hair when it's dry. I apply it into my hair with a brush, making sure I coat all of the blonde pieces. I let it sit in there for about 45 minutes to an hour like you would a normal dye, and then you rinse it out, and you will see an incredible difference in how the purple shampoo performs as opposed to putting it on wet hair. It seeps into the hair so much better. I have used shimmer lights from Sally's Beauty. That one's really good, but it smells like old lady, so if you're sensitive to smells, I wouldn't suggest that one. And the one I really do love is the Joy Coat purple shampoo. This one you can find at Winners and Marshalls for like 20 bucks. It's 1 whole liter and it will last you forever, and it doesn't have that disgusting smell. It's actually quite pleasant. Yeah, it's quite nice. I will also give you a little tip. Sometimes I use conditioner with a little bit of blue hair dye. Literally like a dime size is more than enough for like a half a bowl full of conditioner. If you go too far with it, put too much in, you will end up with a little bit of a green tint in your hair, which we don't want. The green tint will rinse out, but still, just to avoid that, put a very small amount. It'll give you more of that silvery look to your hair. You're getting like a deep conditioning treatment while you're toning your hair. When I use the conditioner and the blue dye mixture, that I also leave on for a good hour at least. It's not going to do any damage, so it doesn't really matter how long you leave it on. See, that is the beauty of why I'm suggesting this to you, because you know when your hair has been bleached or highlighted how drying it can be and how damaging it can be, and the last thing you want to do is damage your hair anymore. I even sometimes will put a little bit of blue conditioner in with the purple shampoo if I'm finding a little bit of oranginess in my roots, like the brown areas. I use a 7N on my roots because I do get grays. So that's a medium neutral blonde if you want a reference. I also have some blonde highlights and a little bit of ombre at the bottom that's been growing out from when my hair was all bleach blonde. I do still use this technique that I am teaching you guys about right now. I haven't done it in a little while, and I know there are some brassy tones, but this is how my hair looks after being toned with the purple shampoo. I have had full bleach blonde, long blonde hair. I used this trick that I'm giving you now, and it worked really great. I'm going to post some pictures up on the screen. My hair when it was yellow, and then when it was nice and toned and ashy blonde, just to show you. This toning trick is not really good for orange hair in particular, but if your hair is lightened to like a yellow color, it will help drastically. Okay, my hair is naturally dirty blonde, but I am getting a lot of grays as I'm getting older. So when I do my roots every few weeks, I use a 7N, level 7 neutral. It still can be a little bit brassy, and that's when I use the conditioner with the blue hair dye, or I use the purple shampoo and just add a little bit of blue dye, because the blue counteracts the orange and really ashes out the roots here. A lot of people suggest the Wella toners, but I personally don't like them for a few reasons. One, your hair is very dry and damaged usually from bleaching as it is. Even if you do it the healthy way, still you want to preserve the integrity of your hair. But the problem with the Wella toners for me personally is they dry the crap out of my hair. They make my hair feel so dry, so damaged. The fact that you're using a 20 volume developer is lightening your hair 2 levels. If you have lowlights or brown in your hair, expect to get an orangey tint. It is going to lighten your brown, and if that's not what you're looking for, I would not suggest the Wella toners. I do not use them, and I do not recommend them personally because of the fact that they are so damaging to the hair. They are so strong, and oh my god, the scent of them, woo! They will burn your nose hairs. It is so strong. You just know, okay? Just know. So the conditioner with the blue dye method, no damage. Purple shampoo on dry hair, no damage. So you're not further damaging your hair that already probably feels quite dry from the blonde. Dry, damaged blonde hair is not cute blonde hair, okay? Now, I can speak from personal experience because I had gone from black hair pretty much to bleach blonde in a very short period of time. I was being impatient and I just didn't want to go through the red and the orange and the ugly stages and leave it be. So I just kept bleaching it, and I ended up having to cut a lot of my hair off. So anything I could do to help people preserve their hair, to help make it look nice and toned without further damage, I'm here to help. I am not a hairdresser by any means, but I have been dyeing my hair since I was 15 years old. I'm 37 now. I have gone through every color of the rainbow. I have done highlights, I have done lowlights, I have done balayage, I have done dip dye, I have done ombre, you name it. So I'm just going off personal experience, telling you what I've done, what's worked for me, and what has not. Another way you can tone your hair, but you will get some damage, just not as much as the Wella toners, is you can use a semi-permanent dye, one shade darker than the color you have. If you have like an orangey looking blonde and you don't want to bleach it anymore right now, but at least you want to have it toned and, you know, workable to go out in public with, you can pick a demi-permanent, semi-permanent, one shade darker in an ash tone and put that all over your hair with a 10 volume, and that will really help tone down and cancel out all the orangey, brassy tones. It will make your hair a little bit darker, but I have done that before. I'm going to post a picture here of what my hair looked like before and after when I used a demi-permanent. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please do give it a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel and lets me know what videos you guys are enjoying and what you might like to see more in the future. Comment down below. I love talking with people, getting to know people, seeing what maybe other videos you might be interested in watching. If you have any hair questions that maybe I could answer, maybe we can go back and forth and talk about hair. If you enjoyed this video, please do subscribe for more videos of crazy little me. And until the next one, bye!